This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Elegant lakefront pool home on a private corner lot in Oyster Harbor at Fiddler's Creek, a vibrant private golf club community. This desirable extended lotio floor plan offers an open concept design with elegant and sophisticated finishes spanning over 2,440 square feet of living space. The home features 3 bedrooms plus a den and 3 full bathrooms, combining luxury and comfort. The great room seamlessly connects to the kitchen, casual dining area and a formal dining space with custom mirrored walls. The living area has rectangular porcelain tiles throughout, 10-foot ceilings, plantation shutters in all windows. This home also offers all high-impact windows and sliders. The living room and foyer have tray ceilings that add ultimate elegance. The gourmet kitchen boasts ample upgraded storage at the front of the island, a walk-in pantry, new stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner natural gas range with a stainless vent hood, elegant quartz countertops, a decorative contemporary tile backsplash, and a large stainless steel sink perfect for entertaining. The primary bedroom suite serves as a peaceful retreat, with a tray ceilings and bay windows overlooking the pool and lake, and a spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower, Roman tub, dual vanities and a walk-in closet. The second ensuite bedroom has 3 bay windows making it a very bright room, and the third bedroom includes a sizable walk-in closet, and an adjoining full bathroom with hallway access. The den is thoughtfully designed and includes a Murphy bed for added versatility. The outdoor living area is an entertainer's dream, featuring a spacious pavered pool and spa patio area enclosed with panoramic screens allowing for breathtaking lake views. The patio has spacious covered space, and a modern outdoor kitchen complete with a tile-accented backsplash, stainless steel refrigerator, sink, and gas grill, and storm-smart shutters for you peace of mind. The home includes a spacious 2-car tandem garage with room or 3 cars, additional storage and polished cement flooring. The exterior of the home has brick accents, and is beautifully manicured tropical landscaping. Enjoy world-class club amenities at Fiddler's, including a resort-style pool, fitness center, spa, tennis and pickleball courts, and both casual and fine dining options. Optional golf, beach, and marina memberships are also available. For more information, review the details below.